OG bag on the screen. Got beef with this nigga all city, dog. Say that. Drop that like, subscribe. Today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the builder. We're going to go over a leaked build that has gotten leaked on NBA 2K25. And I want to make it very clear to you guys before you go in, because I had a realization of something with the legend badges and just some key things, you know, how they're trying to balance us this year just so we have more uniqueness. I've been preaching that in the 2K a lot, that there needs to be more uniqueness, and we used to have it in older 2Ks, because when it comes down to placing your attribute points, you can copy somebody and make a build, or you can make your own and people will be like, oh damn, he made it that way. You'll have somebody copy you, but there's going to be infinite ways of doing that, and that's what I feel like is going to create that uniqueness to. And the difference is whether between this build can get this over your build because this build has this, and boom. And then the arm sleeves, they add more now to us. Remember, do not forget the arm sleeves that 2K has added, the accessories that add more to your player's build as well. So we have to remember that's in there as well when looking at the builds, because some people first glance, when I make you realize this, you probably look at it like, damn, yo, we got hit bad. But it's like, remember, they have all this other stuff added in, so it's like a journey for us, you know. We're playing the game and there's something to do throughout the whole cycle. Let's get into this part now of the video of All City. Let's watch this and talk about this, because I had some people, I guess, who are new subscribers, and that's why I don't take y'all serious, you know. I guess he's unsubscribed for me because All City's going hard at me and dogging me out, or whatever the case he thinks. Like, that's why I say, this internet stuff, man, the internet, I learned, man, it poison y'all brains. Like, that's why I gotta click with. I don't know. Internet poisons y'all brain.
I ask you guys a question. How do y'all feel about creators begging to go to community day? And I'm talking about like no dignity whatsoever, like literally getting on your knees and begging 2K to send that invite out. Like, do y'all even see that as a real thing? Do you think there's a creator out there who would get on his knees and beg 2K? I hate to do it, but it's a real reality, y'all.
It's like, damn. Listen, I'm getting on my knees. Next year, 2K community, I'm getting on my knees. I actually, like, listen. Y'all see this video right now? Look. Ronnie, 2K, all the devs. Look, I'm on my knees. I'm actually on my 2 knees on this hard floor right now. Listen. Get deeper than that. Just send that invite. They had a nice little hardwood, yeah. They gotta bring OG out.
Wow, no shame. I guess to each their own, man. Some folks do whatever's necessary to get where they want to go. One thing I do know is getting on your knees, that'll help put you ahead of the pack. That's exactly the position that 2K wants you to be in. Now let's get into this drama between Luck TV and Power DF. I'm gonna reference quite a few posts, and the first one is from Luck TV saying,
now look, right after my post, like, now people could take that as, oh, he's flaming me up, roasting me, but anybody knows I'm the type of creator. I'm the what do you call me? I'm the like, I joke a lot. Like, a lot of things I say people take serious, and some things I say I'm not even being serious. Like something like that, which is me totally acting. But if a person don't know me, or they're not familiar with me, I guess it's gonna come off like that's what I'm really on. I feel like the way I speak, 2K is not gonna invite me. World. He's talking to the guy, because he commented on my video first and was talking about how your kid's gonna see whatever the case is. Like, bro, do you understand when you get up, if you try to get yourself in a content creator status field, or get yourself more known with the status, that's what comes with it. There's many creators that people put fake stuff about them. They put AI stuff, they crop their pictures out and do this. Bro, I had somebody literally, I've had it before, I've had somebody literally crop my face out of my picture, put his face on next to my girlfriend while she was preggo. Come on, bro. I've been in this field, bro. Stuff don't bother me. I don't take stuff personal when it comes to this. Y'all serious? I be like, damn, all right, finally somebody at least showed a highlight, made it known, okay, they watch my videos because they was able to take a clip from my videos. Most people try to keep me under the rug, and like I'm still supposedly underrated type time. You see what I'm saying? I comment on All City's video. He liked it. I'm looking at it like he's doing like battle rap wordplay, basically. He's talking about getting on your knees, not having having some shame, and in reality, if he does watch my content, most of the time he see how I talk about 2K, how I speak on the stuff that they don't do, how I talk deep. So in reality, this is the real highlight of him saying sorry, saying all this stuff about Ronnie and stuff, and then taking it back, wanting to go to community day just so he could get benefit, because that's what community day is. It's benefiting you so you can get the early content, get around the creators, and you feel like your life is moving up and going up. Me personally, OG, I don't care about that shit, bro. There's niggas that's like, logically, I'm smart enough to understand there's niggas that's like All City himself is making enough money where it's like, bro, it's like, and pulling enough views and traction. It's like when the game drop, bro, you can just, it's not a race. You can just drop your shit. But to certain creators like Luck, it's when he's seen all the creators there and they getting to touch the new 2K, and it's like you was there. Well, I don't know if he was there before one time. I think maybe, I don't know if he ever went. I don't think he went. But when you just see the creators go and you see them getting the benefits, the jerseys and stuff they're posting on Twitter, they're getting all the traction, everybody, yeah, like, damn, congrats. That hits certain people and they get jealous. I tell people, even in my real life people, like, don't fall into that social media shit where you getting upset when you have your own reality. When you wake up out the bed, you're in your own world. If this shit didn't exist, you would be stuck in your own world, and some of y'all would literally put yourselves in mental hell. Thinking hell is like hell is on earth. You would put yourself in a mental hell. Now I gotta put a little bit of gems out because y'all just don't get reality sometimes. Y'all take things too far, try to over dramatize things. It's like, come on. Try to not be on this internet and just deal with yourself. Right. That's why people are on the internet. You're judging too much. You're thinking this. You're thinking too hard in other people's situations. Like, oh my God. Taking things out of context. So that's how I looked at it, and even let's say if he was serious, I'm not upset about that. That's promo to me, if that was the case. All right, but he's always shown love and respect in other videos, bro. That's just me being funny, bro. I'm getting on my knees for real. I don't even think that works. If I kiss ass. I feel like that's draining. That's draining. I just want to be myself and they pick you out the bunch. That's it. That's draining to be kissing ass and never knowing when it's going to come type shit. Like, hell nah. Y'all crazy. To be able to see that side. Sometimes it don't play out. It don't work like that, you know? But him, he was doing this. He apologized. Where he went wrong was he deleted his tweet. You don't do that. Just keep it up. Take what comes with it. Take what people saying about you. Like, look, like All City posted a clip of me. Take what people's going to come when you put something out. I already know how people can view that. Oh, people can view it. We in that era where everything look like it's sus now. Everything looking sus and stuff like. So I get it. Come on now. That was a comedy joke because this is what people say. Everybody to get to community day, they have to be on their knees. They have to be. That's not true. They want influence. I've been giving this gem out for years. But since I'm one of those people who speak out a certain way, I don't know if it puts me out the algorithm. I don't know. But influence is the #1 key thing. Okay, then they take a few creators who they see who they want to say, okay, maybe we can put you in here to give you a job. Maybe if they was posting right or anything. But look, EJ is there. EJ be saying F Mike Wayne on his stream. I can get a clip. F you, Mike Wayne. Wait, come on. He said, oh, 2K got to do better than that shit. Like he literally was in those vibes talking like that. Okay. It's been other creators that's like crazy. Cheeseaholic talks crazy to people. F your mother and stuff on his streams. And they have him there. So it's obviously it's influence in a certain, you don't speak on nobody and you stay in your lane because it's not a control thing. They just want to see if you have that character where you're not speaking on nobody. You're not really speaking on too much things where you're getting in drama. For example, look at Poor Boy Sin. Poor Boy Sin went to community day before. But why is Poor Boy Sin not there? Because he's always in drama with people on Twitter. He's always posting like too much of his real self rather than his character than you see other people do. Most other people, you just see their character and they're doing their character. That's what 2K wants from people. They just want your character to being there and then you knowing how to handle all the legal rules and stuff and be, hey, don't post no leaks, don't do nothing like that. And they want to use your character that's there to bring more traction to the game. Enjoy community day. Ronnie 2K, I watched EJ's video. Ronnie 2K said the people he felt was there was top 100. So in 2K's mind, that's their top 100. They probably have a whole analysis how they pick people and go, because they're not just picking random anybody's. They even if they pick a person that is a low creator, they still have some type of personality character that the 2K likes. that they was watching, analyzing. I feel like they go that deep on it. Some people may not think, but I do. It's their company. You're not just gonna bring any and everybody, all right? We off of this now. So that's just me making a joke off of it. Come on now. What the heck? He just used the clip. Like, who cares? All right, now let's get into this.
We now have the badge.
I want y'all to see something about this. The legend badges. Remember this, y'all. There's going to be a pair like a legend build, because there's going to be somebody who's strictly going to go for those high levels, and they're going to be more role players. I've been seeing a lot of YouTube and content creators talk about, yo, you're going to need more of your teammates and more assists for certain things, and it's going to be true. It's not going to be true in the sense where it's like, yo, you're not going to be able to do nothing, but it's going back to that older 2K where you're going to feel more of just stronger in your role if you have your build set a certain way. You see how the jumps are way higher this year. I know many of people feel like, oh, I'm not even going to be really going for ankle assassin. But you have to understand, the ratings are the same. It's going to be the same for other categories. Don't think, oh, it's going to be lower. It's going to be the same for other categories. And then remember, they have that max badge perk. So legend badges are definitely going to be more rare if a person says, I want to go with a balanced build and just go to that Hall of Fame cap. See, they're going to make us have different players. And then even when you have Hall of Fame, remember, if you cap your player out and you just say, okay, I'm gonna strictly go for like a Hall of Fame, you're still in the 90s. So it's like they're still like not tricking us, but they're still leading us to this direction. You see what I'm saying? Going towards that legend, because everybody's going to be using that max badge perk and making a certain badge go to legend for sure. And then sometimes people may not, depending on how their build is, what may work for them. I see a lot of strategy coming here. Because remember, we're still going to be out there with pieces. It's going to be like a puzzle piece still, where there's going to be a lot. There may be a PG who can't play D, but there will be a lockdown who will more so probably do more of that for him. Or people coming out with 2 lockdowns. I can see those lineups coming back, because those are the type of just lineups when you are limited to certain things, like a guard that don't have that high still no more. You have to have a lockdown that could come and play some extra D and maybe get a stop. You know what I'm saying? So they're putting us back in that bucket now, really, when we look at it. So when I come back here and I show you guys this build, yo, people were saying like, yo, it was crazy because I was looking at the regular 2K screen and counting the boxes. They using the same builder format, so that's on them. That's their fault that I can do that. You know what I mean? If they didn't use the same builder format and kind of had it different or maybe something, like, you know, but that's on them. When we looking at this stretch build, people, it is very, very hit. The stretch has strength. He went for certain things like strength, so at least he can box out and maybe get a board, but we see his rebound stats are very, very low. We can see that his rebound stats are very, very low. It looks like he's damn near close up into the 90s already. Maybe he has a little bit more to put for his rebounding, but this looks like a stretch build. The agility, probably wanted to move around. Oh, I'm being that type of stretch to move around and, you know, do everything, right? It has a little bit of ball handle, has a little bit of speed with ball. The defense stats are suffering, but we see the block is there. Subs helped me realize, yeah, this was a stretch more, because I just looked at the key stats. The block is high. No, the steal is high. The block is high too, but that steal is high. And then it's like one of those 6'8", 6'9" stretches, and they try to just go freaky on it. But this, to me, seems like a bad build. You never could say a build is bad, especially with this new build and not knowing the full capabilities of it. But it's like he has the stand and dunk there and then the drive and layup. So one thing that I'm starting to realize too is that also it's tricky, because I've seen YouTubers saying the builder is tricky too. Again, they're all back on that. They tried it. Demi deleted his tweet too when he said that the Trunker and Nerf. He deleted that tweet. I seen it, but he confirmed that it was a Nerf. It seems like certain stats go up as well when you put certain things up. So his stand and dunk is high and his drive and layup's high. Most people be like, why would they do that over the drive and dunk? Why not just take away? But it's probably like 2K probably capping you out there. You know, I know new stuff like that is there in the game. Then you see his shooting is high. Both shooting areas is maxed out. So this is how we knew this is some type of stretch build. And it was giving me KD vibes, y'all. Like maybe like a 6'9"-ish. Like, I don't know. I feel like because he's stacked out all here, you can see the physicals is really stacked out, especially on the agility and the speed and the strength. Everything is stacked out on the physicals. So it's like this person really wants to... Something makes me realize like, yo, these physicals are probably really important. Just agility. Like, think about it. If you don't have your agility up, you're going to be moving slow around the court off ball. And since that's a new feature in the game, that may feel real nasty if you don't have a good agility. It may take some getting used to, and you just may not feel as swift as you really want to, and it may just throw you off when it comes to your off-ball shooting or moving around off-ball to shoot. So I just see it going crazy this year, especially with a small PG, like some like they decks with it. Oh my god, no. I could see it like a little 6'3", they max out the agility crazy, or 6'2", whatever, and then they just use the center, set screens, and then they just decks behind off-ball, faster agility. So if you don't have your lock guarding it over there, oh my lord, I'm seeing a meta form already in our face. I'm trying to get to the meta stuff first, y'all. I'm trying to get that out the way, because I feel like once you can see that, you can kind of make a build better. And agility is new. They kind of reworked the shooting badges a bit, so shooting, we're going to be a little bit more balanced there when we're trying to put our build up, because we're going to feel it when we like try to put other stats. I can see it already. This build is too, like, for me, if I'm looking at it naturally, I'm making my build, this doesn't look like a lot to me. It's like, damn, it's like a hit, like where I gotta pick and choose. I could tell when I get on the builder, I'm gonna be picking and choosing, and then my attribute caps, and then the sleeves, I'm gonna also be factoring that in my mind as well. Okay, and then the new takeover system, how it has to correlate with my build. So another, and then they're gonna allow you to test. I'm telling you, people are gonna be in the builder for so long, like being able to test your jump shot, your sigs, and they're gonna have people confused in that way. That's the new way. That's the new way. Give everybody everything right there up front. You know, when you actually really play and badges are starting to go against each other, stuff, it's gonna be so much different. Like, damn, oh, I gotta switch this. Oh man, that's all it is about 2K. Every year, I feel like we're gonna have to deal with that. If they change the game up and give us some type of like new type of game, and it feels new, feels different, change up stuff, take away stuff, yeah, every year is gonna feel like that. So, man, another cycle about to start up again. Appreciate everybody for showing love, dropping likes on the videos, man. I'll do some more funny skits for y'all too, so, and some more funny things in the stuff, you know, for the videos for y'all. Please don't take everything I do serious. Don't take everything I say serious. Like, I'm not getting on my knees for 2K, whatever that means. I'm not doing that. That was just a witty joke, because it's like, okay, everybody's saying that's what you gotta do to be there. I see everybody on Twitter upset, man, like, yo, damn, yo, I'm sick that I couldn't go. And I really don't care. I'm enjoying like getting the new views, the new traction, new subscribers, you know, posting my new content, seeing what people are posting. It's like, I'm not in that jealousy, upset vibe. Like, I could care less. They invite me one time, hey, they don't, cool. I'm gonna still be being the same way, and I'm gonna just evolve more, you know, into my character and getting the content out. That's all. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Be easy, hit that like, subscribe. I'll see y'all next one.